Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to add music on your Facebook profile. Firstly, what you need to do, just simply go up to your profile section by selecting the fourth selection on your right upper side. Get up on it, and here when you're now on your profile session, you need to scroll down, and as you can see you have many options for selections: photos, avatars, music. When you go to the right side you have did you know, and now you need to go and select the third selection, music side. Then you need to go for the plus icon on your right upper side, and then you need to go and browse for a music that you want to get out to your Facebook profile. We'll go with this music, and now I'll need to get back to my tick. Now I need to take a refresh by getting again to my music side. In here, as you can see, if I tap on the three dots on some of these music, I need to go for pin to profile, and now I need to wait. I need to get a refresh, and as you can see guys, we have added music on our Facebook profile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.